So write down third problem, exercise 6.4, third problem. Perimeter of each triangle. When the midpoints of sides of an equilateral triangle, whose side is 24 centimeter are joined to form another triangle, whose midpoints in turn are joined to form still another triangle, and the process continue indefinitely. Draw the diagram. Okay, next problem. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. The perimeter of the each triangle. When the midpoints of sides an equilateral triangle whose side is 24 centimeter are joined from another triangle. Perimeter of each triangle when the midpoints, so that is ABC is a triangle. Each side how much? 24 centimeter. Next, ABC triangle midpoints, DEF is a midpoints. AB midpoint D, BC midpoint E, AC midpoint F. Next triangle is formed. Next triangle, join from another triangle. So join from another triangle whose midpoint in turn are joined to form still another triangle. ఈ midpoints ను మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ చేస్తే, సో DEF, D point, E point, F ను జాయిన్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ another triangle is formed. Next midpoint is taken. So FGHI, another triangle is formed. Next another triangle is formed. So ఇలా continuous గా వస్తూనే ఉంది. Still another triangle and the process continue indefinitely. ఇలా ప్రాసెస్ కంటిన్యూగా వస్తే ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ జీపీలో ఉందా? ఓకే, సో గివెన్ సిచ్యువేషన్ జీపీ ఆర్ నాట్ కండిషన్ చెక్ చేయమన్నారు. సో an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 24 centimeter is given in question. So how many sides in equilateral triangle? 3 sides. All sides are equal. So how many sides? 3 sides. All sides equal. So each side how much? 8 to 8 to 8. 8 3 are 24. That means side of equilateral triangle and first triangle 24 by 3. How much? 8 centimeter. Next midpoints join చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇందులో ప్రతి సైడ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? ఇందులో హాఫ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈచ్ సైడ్ 4 4 4. సో పెరిమీటర్ కూడా ఏముంటుంది? హాఫ్ ఉంటుంది పెరిమీటర్. కనుక ఈచ్ సైడ్ హౌ మచ్? 4 సెంటీమీటర్ హాఫ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది సెకండ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ 8 by 2. వై? బికాస్ సో ఫస్ట్ ఏబిసి ట్రయాంగిల్ పెరిమీటర్ 24. సో నెక్స్ట్ డిఎఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ పెరిమీటర్ హౌ మచ్? 12. నెక్స్ట్ హౌ మచ్? 6. నెక్స్ట్ హౌ మచ్? 3. ఇలా ఉంటుంది పెరిమీటర్. సో ఈచ్ సైడ్ హౌ మచ్? డివైడెడ్ బై 3 డివైడెడ్ బై 3 డివైడెడ్ బై 3 డివైడెడ్ బై 3 ఇలా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో 3 1 జా 3 8 జా 3 1 జా 3 4 జా 3 1 జా 3 2 జా 3 1 జా 3. సో 8 4 2 1 టైప్లో ఉంటుంది. ఇలా రాసుకున్నా నో ప్రాబ్లం. లేదంటే సెకండ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? హాఫ్ ఉంటుంది. థర్డ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ సైడ్లో హాఫ్ ఉంటుంది. 8 by 2 4 సెంటీమీటర్. నెక్స్ట్ హాఫ్ ఉంటుంది 4 by 2 2 సెంటీమీటర్. సైడ్ ఆఫ్ థర్డ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ 4 by 2 is equal 2 సెంటీమీటర్. The side of the triangle so formed are 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter and so on continuously. So to check common ratio, A2 by A1, 4 divided by 8, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, how much? 1 by 2. A3 by A2, A3, 2 divided by 4 cancellation, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, how much? 1 by 2. So common ratio same in each term. So ఈ 2 terms కింద రాయండి. Common ratio same. Common ratio is same. The above situation form an AP. The above situation form GP, geometric progression. So common ratio same got it. The situation form and GP. Form GP. Write down next problem. Second problem, very important. Write 3 terms of GP when the first term A and the common ratio are given. Write down first problem. A equal to 4, R equal to 3. Okay, first problem. Okay, next problem. Write the 3 terms of GP given first term and common ratio is given. So what is the first question? A equal to 4, R equal to 3. That is meaning first term A is equal to 4, common ratio R equal to 3. 3 terms of GP. What is the first term? A1. A1 means A. A means how much? 4. సెకండ్ టర్మ్ a2 a1 టర్మ్ తెలిసినప్పుడు a1 ఈజ్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ బై r a1 మీన్స్ 4 r వాల్యూ 3 4 3 జా 12. నెక్స్ట్ a3 హౌ టు రైట్ a2 వాల్యూ తెలిసినప్పుడు a2 ఇంటూ r a2 వాల్యూ 12 r వాల్యూ 3 12 3 జా 36. ఓకే రైట్ the three terms of GP are the GP series required GP series how is this 4 12 36 and so on. Okay right on. Next problem. Okay right on. Second problem, a is equal root 5 r equal 1 by 5. Write down question. So first term how much? A equal to root 5. Common ratio r equal to 1 by 5. So first term a1 equal to a how much? Root 5. Second term how to write? First term is called a1 into r. a1 value a root 5 into r value how much? 1 by 5. So root 5 by 5. Root 5 into 1, root 5 divided by 5. 5 how to write? Root 5 into root 5. That is meaning root 5 whole square. Root 5 whole square means 2 root cancel అయితే మళ్ళీ 5 వస్తుంది. So 5 is written as root 5 into root 5. Root 5 anja, root 5 anja. So answer 1 by root 5. Third term how to write? Second term is there అంటే a2 into r. a2 how much? 1 by root 5 into r value how much? 1 by 5. So, into 1 into 1 root 5 into 5 root 5. So the terms are required GP series is root 5 comma 1 by root 5 comma 1 by 5 root 5 and so on. Okay right on. Next problem. Write down third problem. A is equal 81, R is equal minus 1 by 3. Write down question. First term A is equal 81. Common ratio R is equal minus 1 by 3. First term that is read as A1 means A how much? 81. A2 means A1 term is already there. How much value? 81 into how much R value? Minus 1 by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 7 ja 21. 27 into minus 1 by 1 minus 1 is equal minus 27. Third term is equal A3 equal A2 into R. A2 already there. How much? Minus 27 into R value minus 1 by 3. Minus into minus plus. 3 1 ja 3 9 ja. 9 into 1 plus 9. Minus into minus plus. 9 1 ja 9. Required GP series is or 81 minus 27 9 and so on. Right on. Next problem. Fourth problem right on. Question. A is equal 1 by 64, R is equal 2. Right on question. Solution. First term A is equal 1 by 64. Common ratio R equal to is given. Three terms of GP. First term A1 equal to A how much? 1 by 64. Next. Second term A2 written as A1 already is there. A1 into R. A1 64 into R value 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 3 ja 2 2 ja 4. 1 into 1 1 by 32. Second term. Third term A2 is there or A2 into R. 1 by 32 into R value 2. Common ratio. 2 1 ja 2 1 is there. 2 6 ja 12. 1 into 1 1 by 16. 2 1 ja 2 16 ja 32. Required GP series is 1 by 64 comma 1 by 32 comma 1 by 16 and so on. Okay. Next problem. Write down third problem. Which of the following are GP? If they are GP, write three more terms. Write down first problem 4, 8, 16 and so on. Okay. Which of the following are GP? If they are GP, write three more terms. సో విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆర్ జీపీ, ఇచ్చిన వాటిలో జీపీలో ఉన్నాయా లేదా చెక్ చేయాలి. ఒకవేళ ఉంటే ఫైండ్ త్రీ మోర్ టర్మ్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. గివెన్ సిరీస్ 4, 8, 16. సో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ A1 ఈక్వల్ టు 4, A2 ఈక్వల్ టు 8, A3 ఈక్వల్ టు 16. సో ముందు ఏపీలో ఉన్నాయా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. టు చెక్ కామన్ రేషియో A2 డివైడెడ్ బై A1, రేషియో నాట్ డిఫరెన్స్. A2 by 8 by 4 cancellation, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja, 2 by 1 means 2. A3 divided by A2, A3 16 by 8, 8 1 ja 8 2 ja, 2 by 1 2. How is this? Common ratio same in each term. So common ratio same. Since common ratio is same, common ratio is same, given list of numbers form and form GP, geometric progression లో ఉంటాయి. Therefore common difference, how much? D is equal, common difference is 2, sorry, R equal to, sorry, different is not there, common ratio, sorry, common ratio R equal to, and first term A is equal to 4. So next term, find three more terms. To find three more terms, find next, to find next three terms, next three terms. Which terms are next three terms? So already given A1, A2, A3. Next term A4, A5, A6. A4. Already third term is there. A3 into R. A3 how much? A3 equal to 16 into R value common ratio 2. 16 2 ja 32. A4 term already there. A4 into R. A4 32 into 2. 32 2 ja 64. A6. A5 term already there. A5 into R. 64 into 2. 128. Therefore, the next three terms are next three terms are 32, 64 and 128. Okay, right. Same problem ఇంతకుముందు కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే ఏపీలో సేమ్ ఇటువంటి చేసాం, బట్ దానికి దీని డిఫరెంట్. కామన్ రేషియో అక్కడ కామన్ డిఫరెంట్ యూజ్ చేసినాం. ఇక్కడ కూడా A4 అంటే అక్కడ A3 ప్లస్ D యూజ్ చేసినాం, ఇక్కడ A3 ఇంటూ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Okay, next problem, write down. Second problem, 1/3 comma minus 1/6 comma 1/12. Write down question. So first term A1, A2, A3. To check common ratio, GP or not question. So to check common ratio, A2 divided by A1. A2 how much? Minus 1/6 whole divided by A1 1/3. The fraction is reciprocal, minus 1/6 into fraction is reciprocal 3/1. So minus 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 divided by 2 1 ja 2. Next, A3 by A2. How much A3? 1/12 main fraction minus 1/6 same. 1/12 into fraction is reversed 6 divided by minus 1. Minus is there. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja. 1 into 1 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1/2. So common ratio same in each successive, any two successive terms. Since common ratio is minus 1 by 2, same in any two successive terms. So the list of numbers are form and GP. So form GP. So GP la unte to find next three terms. Which terms? A1, A2, A3. Next term A4. Already A3 terms is there into R. How much A3 terms? 1 by 12. Into how much common ratio? Minus 1 by 2. So directly multiplied only. Plus into minus minus. 1 1 ja 1. 12 2 ja 24. Minus 1 divided by 24. Next A5. Same A4 terms is there into R. How much A4? Minus 1 by 24 into how much R value? Minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus 1 1 ja 1. 24 into 2 48. Next A6. A5 into R. A5 how much? 1 by 48 into R value minus 1 by 2. So minus is there. Minus 1 into 1 1. 48 into 2 96. Okay. The next three terms of GP. Three terms of GP are minus 1 by 24 comma 1 by 48 and minus 1 by 96. Write down. Next problem. Given series, first term, write down question 5 comma 55 comma 555 and so on. First term 5, second term 55, third term 555. Okay, to check common ratio 55 by 5. So cancellation 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 11 by 1 means 11. A3 by A2 A3. So 555 by 55. So 5 cancel 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 1 ja. So next is not cancel. 111 by 11. So common ratio same or not? Not. Common ratio is not same. So the list of numbers are not GP. List of numbers are not form of GP. Or not form GP. Not form GP. GP form lo undavu. Or not form GP. Right up. Next problem. Okay. Next problem. Write down. Fourth problem. Minus 2, minus 6, minus 18 and so on. So GP or not? Question. చూస్తానే అర్థమైపోతుంది. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Minus 6 into 3, minus 18. Next terms. So common ratio same 3. So next term how much? Minus 18 into 3, minus 54. Minus 54 into 3. So already directly answer చెప్పేయచ్చు ఇక్కడ. So problem చేయాలంటే A1 minus 2. A2 minus 6, A3 minus 18. To check common ratio, A2 by A1 minus 6 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 3 by 1 3. A3 by A2 minus 18 by minus 6. Minus minus cancel. 6 1 ja 6 3 ja. So common ratio is 3 same. Common ratio 3 is same. 3 is same. So the list of numbers are form GP, form and GP. So the find next three terms. Next term A3 terms is there. Next A4. A4 how to write? A3 noun తెలుసు మనకు into R. A3 how much? Minus 18. Common ratio 3. 15 18 3 ja minus 54. A5. A4 into R. A4 value minus 54 into 3 multiplied. Plus into minus minus. 3 4 ja 12. 3 5 ja 15 16. Next sixth term. A5 into R minus 162 into 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 6 are 18. 3 1 are 3 4. 486. The next 3 terms of GP are minus 54, minus 162 and minus 486. Okay, write down. Next problem. Okay, given series 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 and so on. Write down question. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. A1, A2, A3. A2 by A1, 1 by 4 whole divided by 1 by 2. This is the main fraction. 1 by 4 into, fraction is reverse. 1 by 2 reverse. 2 by 1. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. 1 into 1, 1. 2 1 ja, 2. A3 by A2. 1 by 6 whole divided by 1 by 4. 1 by 6 into 1 by 4 is reciprocal, 4 by 1. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 1, 3 1 ja 3. Common ratio, how is this? Different. Since common ratio is not same, so the list of numbers are not form and GP. So common ratio same లేదు కాబట్టి is not GP. GP form లో ఉండదు. Write down next problem. Write down sixth problem. 3 comma minus 3 square comma 3 cube and so on. So to check common difference. So what is 3 minus 3 square means 9. 3 square 3 into 3 9. 3 cube 27. So easy గా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. So 3 into 3 minus 9. 9 into 3 27. 27 into 3 81. 81 into 3 243. Directly. So GP form లో ఉంటుంది. No problem. First term A1, A2, A3. To check common ratio. A2 by A1. A2 value minus 9 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. Minus 3 by 1, 3. A3 divided by A2. A3 value 27 by minus 9. 9 1 ja, 9 3 ja. 3 by 1, 3 minus 3. So both common ratio minus 3 is same. So the list of numbers are form GP. Form GP. To find next 3 terms. Next term A4. So A3 is already is there. A3 into R. A3 into R. A3 value how much? 27 into R value how much? Minus 3. 27 into minus 3 minus 81. Multiply చేస్తే 3 7 ja 21. 3 2 ja 6 to 81. A5 how to write? A4 into R. Minus 81 into common ratio minus 3. Minus into minus plus. 3 1 ja 3. 3 8 ja 24. 243. A6. A5 into R. A5 243 into minus 3. So plus into minus minus. 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. 3 2 ja 6 7. The next 3 terms of GP are minus 81, 243 and minus 729. Write down next problem. Write down next problem, sixth problem. Write down question. X comma 1, 1 by x and so on. First term A1 x, A2 1, A3 1 by x. Next 3 terms. To check common ratio, A2 by A1. So 1 divided by x. A3 by A2. A3 how much? 1 by x whole divided by 1. A2 value 1. So 1 by x divided by 1 means 1 by x. So since common ratio 1 by x is same, each any 2 successive terms, so the list of numbers are form GP. To find next 3 terms, A4, A3 is there, how much? A3 into R, A3 1 by x into R value how much? So So common ratio how much? So R equal to 1 by x is same and rational. So common ratio 1 by x. 1 into 1, 1 by x into x, x square. A4 into R. A4 value already now 1 by x square into R value how much? 1 by x. 1 into 1, 1. X square into x, how many x? 3x cube. A6, A power, A5 into R. A5 how much? 1 by x cube. Into 1 by x. 1 into 1, 1. X cube into x, x power 4. The next three terms of GP are 1 by x square comma 1 by x cube and 1 by x power 4. Okay, write down. Next problem. Very important. So write down 8th problem. 1 by root 2 comma minus 2 comma 8 by root 2 and so on. So very important. Given series 7th problem. A1 1 by root 2, A2 minus 2, A3 8 by root 2. To check common ratio. So carefully. A2 value is minus 2 whole divided by A1 value 1 by root 2. So main fraction kinda down lo unna fraction unte reciprocal avutundi. Minus 2 into root 2 by 1. Minus 2 into root 2 by 1. So how much? So multiply cheste minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 root 2. Root 2 by 1 means root 2. Minus 2 into root 2. Minus 2 root 2. Next A3 by A2. So again, once again this step. So please observe this step. To check common ratio. A2 divided by A1. A2 how much? Minus 2 divided by, this is the main fraction, 1 by root 2. So is equal minus 2 into 1 by root 2 is reciprocal, root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 means root 2. Minus 2 into root 2, minus 2 root 2. Not multiply directly. Why? Because 2, so rational and irrational, directly not possible to multiplication. So A3 divided by A2. A3 how much? 8 by root 2 whole divided by, this is the main fraction, A2 minus 2. Minus 2 is not fraction. 8 by root 2, no problem, directly write 8 by root 2. So minus 2 only single number, to convert fraction, minus 2 by 1. So no problem. Reversely 1 by minus 2. Okay, small steps is there. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So minus this there, minus, ఇక్కడ minus ఉంది కాబట్టి minus. 4 into 1, 4 divided by root 2. So rationalizing root 2 on both sides, minus 4 into root 2 by root 2 into root 2. Minus 4 into root 2 by root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Minus 2 root 2. So this is a common ratio. Okay. So directly రాలేదని మనం కామన్ రేషియో సేమ్ లేదనుకోవద్దు. సింప్లికేషన్ ఈజ్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. 8 by root 2 whole divided by minus 2 only A2 value. Divided by 1 convert to fraction. Fraction is 1 by minus root 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. 4 into 1 4. Root 2 into minus 1 minus root 2. So minus అనేది న్యూమినేటర్ లైన్ అనొచ్చు, డినామినేటర్ లైన్ అనొచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. Minus 4 root 2 rationalizing root 2 by root 2. Minus 4 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 how much? Root 2 into root 2 how much? Root 2 whole square. 2 root cancel అయితే 2 నే వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో 2 రాసిన 2 1 ja 2 2 ja minus 2 root 2. So next common ratio R equal to how much? Minus 2 root 2 common ratio is common ratio minus 2 root 2 is same in any two successive terms. So the list of numbers are from GP. Next to how to find out. Okay. So the steps are down like a rail to find next three terms. Next terms. A3 is over A4. A4 how to write? A3 into R. A3, how much A3? So already 8 by root 2 into R value how much? Minus 2 root 2. So directly cancel. Root 2 cancel. 8 2 ja minus 60. 8 2 ja minus 60. Next. A5. A4 already. A4 into R. A4 minus 16 into A4 already find out. Into multiplied by common ratio or minus 2 root 2. So minus into minus plus 16 2 ja 32 root 2. Okay, root 2 only 1. 16 2 ja 32. A6. A5 into R. A5 32 into root 2, that is the A value, into minus 2 root 2. So simplify carefully. Minus 32 into 2 child first. 32 into 2 minus 64 root 2 into root 2 2. So finally minus 128. So carefully observe. 32 into minus 2 minus 64. Both are same. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 whole square and 2 minus 64 into minus 128. The next three terms of GP are minus 16, 32 root 2 and minus 128. Okay, right on. This is a problem. So very important. So ఈ స్టెప్ తర్వాత ఈ స్టెప్ రాసిన తర్వాత ఈ స్టెప్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈ స్టెప్స్ కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. ఓకే, రైట్ ఆన్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, రైట్ ఆన్. నైన్త్ ప్రాబ్లం 0.4 comma 0.04 comma 0.004. So very important problem. Okay, next problem. Given series 0.4 is the first term, second term 0.04, third term 0.004. సో ఈ ఒకవేళ ఇది జీపీలో ఉంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఎలా వస్తుంది? A4 అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 0.4 ఉంది, 0.04 ఉంది, అంటే పాయింట్ తర్వాత 04 వచ్చింది. సో పాయింట్ తర్వాత 10 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ తర్వాత 004, పాయింట్ తర్వాత హౌ మెనీ జీరోస్? 2 జీరోస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం వస్తుంది? పాయింట్ తర్వాత 3 జీరోస్ వస్తుంది. ఇది A4 టర్మ్ అవుతుంది. పాయింట్ తర్వాత ఇక్కడ 3 జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎన్ని జీరోస్ వస్తాయి? 4 జీరోస్ వస్తాయి. ఇది A5th టర్మ్. నెక్స్ట్ A6th టర్మ్. పాయింట్ తర్వాత 4 జీరోస్ వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ 5 జీరోస్ వస్తాయి. ఇది A6. సో డైరెక్ట్లీ రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, సో థింక్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, ప్రాసెస్. A2 divided by A1. A2 value 0.04 divided by A1 value 0.4. After point how many decimal? 2 decimal. After point only 1 decimal. So multiplied by 100. Each number multiplied by 100. So simply think. So 4 divided by 40. 4 divided by 40. After point 2 decimal multiplied by 4. Point తర్వాత 2 decimal ఉంది, వెళ్ళిపోవాలంటే 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ తర్వాత ఉండేది ఓన్లీ 1 decimal. 1 వెళ్ళిపోతే 1 జీరో మిగులుతుంది, అంటే 40. సో 4 1 జా 4 10 జా హౌ మచ్? 1/10. 1/10 హౌ టు రైట్? 0.1. 0.1. సో డైరెక్ట్లీ చేసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. 0.1 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. A3 హౌ మచ్? 0.004 by 0.04. A2. After point how many decimal? Same. 3 decimal 0.004 into 1000. After point 3 decimal 1 2 3. Say multiplied both numerator and denominator. 0.04 into 1000. Same 4 is there. After point 2 decimal ఇక్కడ 1000 ఉంది కాబట్టి సేమ్ 40 వస్తుంది. 4 1 ja 4 10 ja 1/10. సేమ్ 0.1. After point 1 decimal. So 1 by 0.1 0.1. Common ratio 0.1 same. 0.1 is same each any two successive terms. So the list of numbers form GP. To find next terms. So next term A4. Simply write A3 into R. A3 how much? 0.004 into 0.1. Directly write answer. How many zeros? After point 3 decimal 0.004. చెప్పిన పాయింట్. సో డైరెక్ట్ కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు. A4 into R is equal A4 0.0004 into 0.1. How many zeros? Point ఇక్కడ 3 zeros వచ్చినాయి, ఇక్కడ 4 zeros వస్తాయి. 0.0004. నెక్స్ట్ A6 A5 into R. A5 0.00004 into 0.1. After 5 zeros. Point తర్వాత 5 zeros వస్తాయి. 0.004. So the next 3 terms of GP. Or first 0.0004 comma 0.0004 and 0.00000. సో సింప్లీ ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు అన్న, A3లో పాయింట్ తర్వాత 2 zeros after 4, పాయింట్ తర్వాత 3 zeros after 4, నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ తర్వాత 4 zeros after 4 అండ్ పాయింట్ తర్వాత 5 zeros after 4. సో 1 0 జస్ట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, మల్టిప్లై చేసినా సేమ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Write down fourth problem, very important. Find x so that x comma x plus 2 x plus 6 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression. Find x value find out chali. Okay, next problem. X comma find x comma x plus 2 x plus 6 are consecutive terms of GP. So already GP lo unnai. So first term a1x, second term a2x plus 2, third term x plus 6. కండిషన్ జీపీలో ఉంటే ఫైండ్ ఎక్స్. సో జీపీ ఉంటే, సో జీపీలో ఉండాలంటే కండిషన్ ఏంది? కామన్ రేషియోస్ ఆర్ సేమ్. కామన్ రేషియోస్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ టూ సక్సెసివ్ టర్మ్స్ సేమ్. ఎనీ టూ సక్సెసివ్ టర్మ్స్ సేమ్. సేమ్. So any two, a2 minus a2 divided by a1, a3 divided by a2. This is the condition. A2 how much? X plus 2 divided by a1 x. A3 x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. So cross multiplication. X into x plus 6. Next x plus 2 into x plus 2. Cross multiplication only. X into x plus 6 is equal x plus 2 into x plus 2. X into x, x square plus x into 6, 6x. So x plus 2 whole square form. A into a square. X plus 2 whole square. X square plus 6x is equal a plus b whole square form. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A అంటే x square plus b square అంటే 2 square plus 2a అంటే x, b అంటే 2. a square x square plus b square 2 square plus 2ab. 2 into x అంటే 2, b అంటే 2. x square. So simply write both side x square cancel. Plus x square transposing left side minus x square అవుతుంది. 6x only. 2 square 2 into 2 4 plus 2 2 ja 4x plus 4x transposing right side. So the last step write down. So each steps are అయిపోయాక 6x plus 4x transposing right side minus 4x is equal 4. 6 లో 4 అయితే 2x is equal 4, x equal 4 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, 2 by 1 means 2, x equal to 2. Okay, write down. So this exercise is over, complete అయింది. Next topic. So continue tomorrow class. Thank you.